Hello everyone, good morning. Okay, this morning Teacher Via will give you a tutorial about how to make the tissue box monster. Are you excited, kids? Okay, let's begin. Before we make the tissue box monster, we need to prepare some things. Okay, like the Xbox tissue, you can use a paseo because the paseo is have a card board material sayang, so it's really easy to us to paint above them and inside also. Okay, and then after that, do not forget to remove the plastic inside this one because we need to stick some teeth inside it after we finish drawing. And then do not forget to prepare oil colors. I would like to recommend you this one, Mary painting colors, because the colors is really thick and good. But if you already booked, this one is okay too, because as long as it's cat air, it can do sayang. And after that, do not forget to prepare origami papers. Okay, I would like you to specifically choose an origami that have a white and black papers because we need to decorate our monster to their eyes. And then for the teeth, you can use the cardboard, white cardboard, because I have tried it before. For the teeth, if you use an origami papers, it will be really thin. So instead, I will use this one. The cardboard is because it's more thicker. Okay, sayang ya. And after that, do not forget to prepare a glue stick and also the fox glue. You can choose either one of them. Ya sayang ya, lem fox or glue sticks. And then, of course, the last but not the least is the palette and a scissors. This one to mix the color that we want to paint, and this one is for cutting things that we will make to our tissue box monster. And now, let's start.